Oh, hey, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. It's gonna be a great day today. It's laundry day. Oh, I got all my clothes and my change. Oh, and I'm here at the laundry basket in Scranton, South Carolina. Come on, let's go have some fun. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get this day started. Oh, have you ever done laundry before or been to a laundromat? It's so awesome. So the first thing you have to do is get this. It's a laundry cart. It's a basket with wheels on it. And now we've got to separate our clothes between whites and the colors. That way, whenever we wash them, the colors don't bleed onto the whites. Let's see what we got here. Oh, glove. There's one glove. There's two gloves. So those are colors. Oh, we've got pants here. Oh, right there. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's my hoodie. And look, it's me on a roller. Oh, that's great. So that's gonna be with my whites there. Okay, separate that out. Let's see. Oh, we've got some really cool shirts in here. Look at this one. This one says Handyman Hal on it. Oh, that's great. So that's gonna be colors. Let's see, there we go. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Do you know what kind of shirt this is? This is a tie-dye shirt. And it says awesome. That's great. Oh, that's gonna be colors because we don't want those tie-dye colors to get into our whites. Oh, let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, look at those. Colors. Oh, and these are my favorites. Oh, check out my socks. Oh, we've got all kinds of cool tools on there. Oh, let's see, there's my pliers, my drill, hammers, screwdrivers. Oh, got those. Oh, they really need to be washed. Oh, and check it out. It's my shirts. We've got a blue shirt there. Got a blue shirt there. Got a blue shirt there. Oh, and a blue shirt there. Oh, so all of these are gonna be colors. Oh, and my white shirts. There's one there. Oh, let's see. There's two. Ooh. We might need to do a little bit of cleaning on this one first. Ooh. Smells like ketchup or barbecue sauce. Maybe barbecue sauce. And of course, last but not least, my vest. Oh, let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. A vest for the whole entire work week. Nope. Guess we're all set to go get some laundry detergent. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. Look at this. Welcome to the soap center. This is where you get all your detergents, your fabric softeners. Looks like we might need some change. Oh, look. See, I've even got some detergent here. Let's open it up and smell it. Oh, wow. This smells really good. Here, see? Oh, it's gonna make our clothes nice and fresh and clean. Oh, so, change bag. Okay, here we go. So it looks like it needs 4 quarters. Let's see here. Ooh, there we go. All right, let's see here. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Get in there. And there's 4. 4 quarters makes $1. That's 4 little slots there for your quarters to go in. And then you just push it in. Here we go. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, look. Oh, we've got it. We've got a fabric softener. Oh, looks like we're all set and ready to go. Come on, let's go. see. I guess we'll use washers 9 and washers 10. Awesome. So let's see. Let's do colors first. All right. Shirts. Ooh, there we go. Blue shirt. Ooh, blue shirts. Let's see. Oh, I can put my pants in there too, because they're colors. Let's see. Oh, my gloves. Oh, there's another pair somewhere. Oh, there we go. Gloves. Ooh. Yep. Oh, yep. Oh, shirts. Ooh, the tie-dye shirt. And last but not least, our safety vests. And you go. Wow. You know, it's time to close it up. Kind of latch it nice and tight. All right. Now let's see here. Read our instructions. We close the door. Select cycle. Oh, we want it to be cold. Oh, can you hear the beeping sound? Oh, that's great. All right, then select extra wash if desired. We might need that. Let's see. And then add supplies, like our detergent. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah. And it actually goes in the top up here, right? Just like this. So we'll use our cap. We'll fill up our cap. Oh, that's perfect. It's a perfect amount. We'll dump it right in. Here we go. Just like that. Oh, yes. This is gonna be perfect. Got that. Close it down. And now, let's see, insert coins. Ooh, $5.75. Well, let's see, how many quarters is that? Let's see, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So let's see, 5 times 4, well, that's 20. And then 3 extra for the 75. So that's 23. 23 quarters. That's a lot. Let's get our quarter bag. So, let's see. Let's put them in. 1, 2, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And now it says push start. Here we go. Let's see. Uh-oh. Sounds like it's about to start. Can you hear it? Sounds like it's filling up with water. Just a little bit of time, and it's gonna start spinning. Well, maybe. Now we'll start on our whites. Come on, let's go. Now, let's start our whites. Oh, might need to do a little bit of spot cleaning first. So we'll set that up top here. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, this'll work. We've got a brush and a little bit of spray here. Let's see here. I think it's barbecue sauce. Get a little bit of that on there. Get that started. Ooh. Oh, I know what that's from. That's when I was at Kona Ice. Oh, and I had that blueberry Kona Ice. It was so good. All right, get a little bit of this on here. Saturate it a little bit. All right, and then we can scrub it a little bit with that brush. Let's see. That should do it. And it goes. All right, let's see. Another white. Another white. Oh, so you know what this is called? This is actually called the drum. It's called the drum of the washing machine. And what it does, it actually spins around and washes the clothes. So we got those in there. Let's close it up. Latch it up nice and tight. Let's see. We got to select our cycle. Let's see, cold there, that's perfect. I don't think we need, oh, yeah, we probably need an extra wash. Oh, so, another $5.75. So another 23 coins. Let's see, let's get our detergent in here. Oh, love it. It smells great. Fill up the cap. Perfect. And in it goes. All right, close that back. And on to the quarters. Let's see. Yep, I think I've got them. Let us continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21, 22, and 23. Now, we need to hit start. Oh, let's watch it. Oh, let's see here. It's clicked on. Sounds like it's adding some water in there. Let's see. Give it just a few moments. And then it'll probably start spinning. And our whites are gonna be washing. Oh, let's see. Oh, there it is. And it started, ready to go. That's awesome. Check it on our clothes. Looks like they're doing really, really good in there. As you can see, inside the washing machine, it adds all of the water and all of the detergent. And then it agitates the clothes. It spins them around really fast. And that's what cleans them. Wow. I could watch this all day. But I got a few things I need to do. Come on, let's go. Wow. I could watch that spin around all day long. But I have something really important to do. Not only am I cleaning my clothes, I get to clean my hard hat. Check this out. Look, I have my hard hat wax. But this isn't any hard hat wax. It has a super duper shine to it. We gotta make sure that our hard hats are nice and clean for safety. So we got that. And check this out. It's my hat buffer. Got my buffer on my drill. All right, so let's take off the hat. All right, let's open up our wax. All right, here we go. Let's see. Get a little bit on there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Wax away. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's looking great. Oh, nice and shiny. Ooh. It even smells good. Oh, yep. We gotta get the front part right there. Check it out. Look at that super duper shine. Oh, wow. Let's see. Does it look shiny? Does it look nice? It smells great. You know, this wax isn't just good for hard hats. It's good for your tools too. Oh, check this out. Got my hammer. Oh yeah. Check it out. We're waxing our hammer. Yep. Oh, let me finish it up. Oh, that looks great. Oh, wow. Ooh, ooh. You know, working at the laundromat is a lot of fun. But you sure can work up an appetite. It's lunchtime. Oh, yes. Let's see what Mom made me today. Oh, wow. Oh, this looks great. Oh, look. Oh, we've got cheese crackers. That's great. Look. It's fruit, screwdriver, skewers. Oh. I love it. That's just an appetizer. Wow. Look. It's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Oh, in the shape of the moon. Oh, and look. In the shape of a star. My mom really knows what I like. Oh, and an apple. You know, apples are really good for you. She even packed dessert. Look. Do you know what this is? This is called ants on a log. Oh, wow. I really like this one. It's got celery and peanut butter and little teeny tiny chocolate chips that look like ants. You know, maybe dessert first. Wow, that's delicious. Well, let's finish lunch. Ooh. Let's have some fruit on a screwdriver skewer. Oh, it's got some good stuff on it. Got red grapes. Oh, and green grapes. And even strawberries. Oh, I really like strawberries. These are great. You know, fruit is really good for you. It's really healthy. Oh, strawberries. So delicious. It's great. Thanks, Mom. Oh, look. It's almost done. We've got 5 minutes left, and it's in the spin cycle. What it does is it spins around really fast to get all of the excess water off of your clothes. Check it out. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Our clothes are done washing. So let's see. Open it up. Oh, they smell fresh. So let's get them all in our laundry cart here. Oh, shirts. Oh, there you go. Oh, and our vests. There we go. There we go. Oh, and our gloves. Let's check. We got everything. Now, let's see here. Let's go right over here to our whites. Open it. Oh, let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, there's our whites. They're kind of stuck to the side. Oh, and my hoodie. Oh, so we got all our clothes. Let's latch this black. Now, let's go to the dryers. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Check this out. Look at how large these dryers are. Oh, somebody's already doing their laundry too. Oh, how about this one right here? All right, let's see here. Oh, wow. This looks amazing. Let's put our clothes in. There we go. Oh, our vest. This is gonna be great. Oh, yep. And all of our colors. All right, let's see. We'll get all of that inside. We'll close the door. Ooh, this one actually uses cards. Let's see. 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes. Maybe 12 minutes? Let's try 12 minutes. All right, okay, so let's swipe our card. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, maybe this way? No, this way right here. Oh, there we go. One more time. Oh, there he goes. Oh, let's see. There we go. Let's see. Oh, and start. Oh, wow, look. There it goes. Around and around. Well, guess we got to go wait on it. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. We're having such an awesome day here at the laundromat. Oh, we got all our clothes in the dryer. It might take a minute. We got to make sure they're nice and dry and fluffy. Oh, let's see. Oh, you know, maybe this is a good time to catch up on a bit of light reading. And look, I brought my favorite book. Oh, let's see here. Ooh, let's see. Oh, let's great. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Oh, that's good, that's good. Oh, you know, being at the laundromat, waiting on your clothes to get done, it gives you an amazing opportunity to get some other things done, like cleaning my shoes. Oh, I really like these shoes. We've actually been through a lot together. Let's see, we've been to some pretty amazing construction sites. Oh, that's right. We've played a lot of really cool games of mini golf. Oh, I've even gotten chased by dinosaurs in these shoes. Wow, I really like these shoes. Ooh, maybe a little bit of spray in them. Let's see. Ooh, a lot better. Oh, wow, these shoes are amazing. Got two of my favorite colors on them, blue, and the shoelaces are orange. I love it. Oh, do you know how to tie your shoelaces? Oh, learning to tie your shoelaces is pretty awesome. Well, let me show you. You take these two, right? You twist them around like that. Oh, pull it closed. Yep. We're gonna make one loop on this side, and we're gonna wrap it around and pull a loop right through there, just like that. And that's how it goes. Have you tied your shoes? Well, let's tie this one. Here we go. Loop it around there. Pull it closed, one loop, and wrap it around, and back through, just like that. Oh, you know, learning to tie your shoes and your shoelaces takes a lot of practice, but you keep up the good work, and you'll have it done in a jiffy. Well, let's finish cleaning these shoes. Oh, wow. It looks like they're done. Check it out. Oh, they're nice and warm. Oh, they smell great. And they're nice and fluffy. All right, let's get them in our basket. All our shirts. Oh, yes. Oh, let's see. Oh, pants. Safety vests. Oh, we got a few more in here. There we go. I got them. All right, let's see if there's anything else in here. Ooh. This is a big jar. Oh, yep, we got one more. It's the glove. Oh, we're all set. Now, let's go do some folding. Wow. Oh, my friends, what an absolutely awesome day we've had today here at the Laundry Basket in Scranton, South Carolina. Well, thanks for joining me on Laundry Day, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.